In today's video, we're showing you how to make a shimmer body gel. To make this recipe, you'll need a half cup of aloe vera gel, a dash of mica powder, 50 drops of vanilla essential oil, and a third cup of fractionated coconut oil. So we have our aloe vera in a bowl here, and then we'll just add the rest of our ingredients. So we're using fractionated coconut oil in this video. We really love this oil. It's great for all skin types and it has a really nice scent. And where this is a bit more of a shimmer, or like a summery lotion, we thought coconut would be a great fit. But you can use any kind of carrier oil you'd like. If you are using regular coconut oil, make sure you don't store it in a pump bottle because it will harden at room temperature and clog the pump. Then we'll add our 50 drops of vanilla oil, and as always you can add any kind of essential oil you like here. We chose vanilla because it goes great with the coconut scent, and coconut essential oil is also a really nice option for this lotion. You can of course use this recipe all year round, but we especially like it for the summer because it's not as heavy as, say, a body lotion or a body butter. And the aloe vera makes it really light and hydrating and great if you've been out in the sun. Finally, we'll add a dash of mica powder. Of course, this is optional. It's still a great body gel on its own, but we really like the look that the shimmer gives it. So just start with a small dash of mica powder and increase gradually to get the amount of shimmer that you'd like. Now we'll grab our pump bottle and our funnel and pour our mixture into our bottle. We're using a measuring cup to transfer the gel just because we have a smaller funnel and we don't want to spill. And that's how you make this summery shimmer body gel.